Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweet Arts, and today I'm going to show you how to do this kind of Mohawk braid style with a ponytail. Let's get started. So just leaving out these little face framey bits here, that's optional. Next I'm just going to section off these side pieces here. Just sectioning that bit off. Do the same on the other side. So now we're going to do another part, so we're just going to have a central piece of hair here. So to get a really chunky braid at the front, I'm going to use this hair at the crown first, and I'm going to braid forwards, okay? So I'm just going to do a regular French braid. So it doesn't have to be neat. I'm just going to braid all this hair to the front. So once you get to the end now, you're going to just do 1 or 2 more stitches without adding in. Like so. And then you're going to flip it. It'll look weird, but trust the process. So flipping this hair back over on itself like so. So now what you're going to do is a Dutch braid. So this is my little strand underneath. And I'm just going to start adding in this hair. So added that strand in, and we go underneath. And again on this side, we're going to take a strand, it's going to go into the side there. And we're going to Dutch braid. And then you're just going to carry on Dutch braiding just this central piece of hair until you get to the crown. And what it's done is created a really chunky braid that we're going to pull out in a minute. And then I'm just going to pin this into place just for a moment. Now we're going to come back to this front piece of the braid, and we're going to almost pick it up and bring it forwards like that. And we're going to have a lovely, lovely chunky braid sitting at the front of the head. And you're just going to go down this braid now and start pulling it out to as big as you want it to be. So just clipping this braid hair out of the way for a moment, and we're going to sweep the rest of it up into a ponytail. Releasing this hair down, and then these are just going to be tied underneath here. So from the front we've got this gorgeous detailed braid, and then we turn to the sides and we've got this really, really nice sort of slick back pony situation going on, and then back round to the front.